MSc Part 2 Semester 4. In that paper 1 Unit 2 Supramolecular Chemistry. The next point is calixarenes. The which type of question arises in this point. The firstly, what are the calixarenes gives any one method of their synthesis. म्हणजे calixarene म्हणजे काय आणि त्याच्या synthesisची one method द्या किंवा what are the calixarene give the synthesis and receptor property of a calixarene. कॅलिक्झरीन म्हणजे काय आणि सिंथेसिस आणि रिसेप्टर प्रॉपर्टीज त्याच्या काय आहेत ते विचारू शकतात. ओके, सो द कॅलिक्झरीन्स आर द ग्रुप ऑफ अ फेनॉलिक मायक्रोसायकल फॉर्म बाय द कंडेन्सेशन ऑफ अ para-alkyl phenols and formaldehyde with a repeating unit shown their tetramer designed as a p-alkyl calyx for arene. ओके, कॅलिक्झरीन काय सांगितलं त्यांनी फेनॉलिक मायक्रोसायकलिक आहे फॉर्म बाय द कसं होतं तर पॅरा अल्की फिनॉल अँड फॉर्मॉल्डिहाइड. ओके, सो द मेंबर्स ऑफ दिस सिरीज कंटेनिंग 4 or 40 सब युनिट्स आर कॉल्ड नोन. द वर्ड कॅलिक्झरीन इज derived from the calyx or calyx because the type of the molecule resemble a wedge and form the word arene that refers to the aromatic building block. aromatic building block म्हणजेच काय आहे कॅलिक्झरीन. you can see the structure of this कॅलिक्झरीन. रिपीटिंग युनिट आहे अल्कोहोलचे आणि A is equal to B is equal to C. जे A चं स्ट्रक्चर आहे तेच B चं सुद्धा तसं येऊ शकतं किंवा C सुद्धा स्ट्रक्चर तसंही येऊ शकतं. Okay, then the structure and conformation. The structure and conformation of the para-T-butyl calyx. Butyl calyx is a 4, 6 and 8 arene are well investigated, although the number of a conformation with the phenolic OH group is distributed on the either side are the possible, the one which all them point in the same direction forming a cone. When all the R group are equivalent, the tetramer A has a C4V symmetry with the R group. Different chiral calixarene may be obtained and which are capable of a chiral recognition. Then methylene hydrogen of the tetramer A are the stereotopic and give the AB coordinate in H1 NMR at low temperature, and this can indicate that the symmetrical cone can undergo the repeat inversion. Then what is the receptor properties? As a members of the cavitate group, the calixarene function as a molecular vessel which hold ionic and neutral gas. The cavity is a hydrophobic and statically compatible neutral gas such as a toluene, xylene, anisole and the pyridine form the complexes through the attractive 6-pi interaction. The calixarene are the capable of undergoing several structural modification. The phenolic OH group can be derivatized to give an array of functional groups such as ether, amide and thioamide as a primary binding site. The tertiary butyl group can be knocked off by Lewis acid and replaced by the hydrophilic group such as a sulfonic and changing the receptor properties. In alkaline medium, the phenolic group are the deprotonated and are the capable of a binding cation. The synthesis. What is the synthesis of this calixarene? The calixarene are the different to produce because it is all the too easy to end with a complex mixture of a linear and cyclic oligomer with a different number of repeating unit. In the 2005 research produced a pyrrole for arene by simply mixing a solvent free dispersion of iso aldehyde with a pyrrole with and the catalytic amount of para-toluene sulfonic acid in a mortar and pestle. Then the application of this calixarin. The calixarin are the applied in enzyme mimetics, ion selective electrode or sensor selective membranes, non-linear optics and HPLC stationary phase. Then in addition, the nanotechnology calixarin are used as a negative resist for the high resolution electron beam uh, lithography. Then tetrathiafluorine is found to the mimic aquaportion protein. These are the some application of a calixarin and synthesis method for the calixarin. Thank you.